Manually measuring properties and drawing landscape design plans can take hours to complete. You need a solution that enables you to collect, connect, and visualize the essential property data needed to bid, win, and service more jobs in less time. Introducing PropertyIntel, the next generation property measurement and estimating solution for landscape contractors. Your projects are stored in the cloud, so they're with you wherever you go. Projects can be associated with properties, allowing you to track their status while providing insight into the bidding process. Using high-resolution aerial imagery, PDF uploads, or a blank canvas, you can quickly make precise measurements and designs with simple click-and-draw tools. Color-coded measurement groups allow you to produce easy-to-understand takeoffs, designs, and estimates for your customers and crews. You can even create custom templates to measure and design even faster. And you can promptly respond to bid requests by sharing projects with anyone with just a few clicks. Your customers will receive professional, easy-to-visualize plans so you can win work more quickly. And if you're stretched for time, we can do the takeoffs and estimating for you with PropertyIntel Complete. Simply submit a request with the property address, indicate the features you want to include, and our professional cartography team will apply their expertise. Precise takeoffs are delivered directly to your PropertyIntel account, enabling your salespeople to bid on high-quality jobs faster. Even better, PropertyIntel fully integrates with Aspire. So with a single click, you can send your takeoffs to Aspire to complete an estimate. Everything you need to bid, win, and service more jobs in less time is right here in PropertyIntel. Ready to get started? Book a demo today.